Once upon a time, in a colorful garden, a butterfly saw a little ant struggling to carry a grain of rice. The butterfly asked, "Do you need help?" The ant said, "Yes, please." The butterfly gently lifted the grain and placed it near the ant's home. The ant smiled and said, "Thank you. One day I'll help you too." A few days later, the butterfly got caught in a spider's web. The ant saw her and quickly bit the web until the butterfly was free. The butterfly was happy and said, "Kindness always come back." Moral: always be kind, even small help can make a big difference.